What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a good day. If you're new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I am super excited to do this review. A company called Vooglam reached out to me to review some of their glasses that they have. They sent me 4 pairs of glasses. They have so many different kinds of glasses, you guys, to choose from, like very stylish and modern glasses. I will put all of the information in the description down below for you guys to go check out their website. They are absolutely amazing. Their website is so user-friendly and I absolutely love it. They have so many different glasses to choose from. They have cat eye glasses, they have rectangular glasses, they have the big oversized glasses, they have sunglasses. They have so many options, you guys. You name it, they literally have it. They have options for men and they have options for women, and they also have an option to where you can put in your prescription for your lenses for the frames that you want. They have an option to where if you don't need prescriptions, that's also an option. And then they also have sunglasses. So again, I will put everything down in the description below so you guys can check them out. So let's get into this unboxing. You guys, so the glasses come in this box here. It says Vooglam. Let's go ahead and open her up. In the box, here are the glasses and how they come. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. All of your glasses come shipped in these little baggies here, and they're so cute, and they say Vooglam on the front. They are super soft, super duper soft to keep your glasses protected. So that is amazing. What also comes in the box is 4 pairs of towels to clear your lenses when you need to. They are super duper soft, and orange is our favorite color. And Vooglam is at the bottom there. Let's go ahead and open up our first pair of glasses. Ooh. Super cute, you guys. Look. Do you see what I mean about stylish? Look how cute these are. Amazing. And I love how they put the plastic on the back just to kind of keep the arms here protected. So let's put them on and see what they look like. I'm gonna use one of these just to kind of clear the lenses off. All right, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put these on. Wow. Wow. Look how beautiful these are, you guys. I absolutely love these. I love these. These are so cute. I feel so officey. Like, I feel like these are glasses that you go into the office with and you just look very approachable. Very nice, you guys. I love these so much. They're so cute. These glasses at the top here, if you guys didn't notice, has like a light pink color at the top, and then down here it's like kind of like a leopard print, brown leopard print at the bottom here, and then on the side you have a gold arm, and then the rest is like that pastel pink color. So I absolutely love it. These are super duper cute. Who doesn't like gold and pink together? Absolutely beautiful. Super duper cute, you guys. I absolutely love these. So I'm getting ready to open up my next pair of glasses here. Ooh, look how pretty. Oh my gosh. Guys, I have never had a pair of clear glasses before. I cannot wait to put these on. As you can see, these pairs of glasses also come with a plastic on the side here. I'm just gonna take that off. And I'm going to use my towelette to wipe the lenses off. As you can see, they are clear, and on the inside they do have a gold rim that goes around the frames. Also on the side, you will see the gold detail going along the arm here, and the same on the other side. It's throughout. So I thought these were so cute, you guys. I absolutely love them. So let's put them on. Oh my God, I love these. Look how cute. Do you see what I mean? Like when I say already, this is the second pair, but like they have options, you guys, literally options. Like these are so cute. Look at that gold detail on the side. How beautiful that is. And on this side as well. And then you just have it throughout. Love it. And if you're a lash girly like me, very lash friendly. They are not, my lashes are not even touching the lenses, you guys. And these don't feel heavy at all. And they fit perfect. And they do not hurt the bridge of my nose either. Like these, they're comfortable. I don't even feel like I have anything on really. Like they are very lightweight, very cute, and these are like the chunky kind of glasses as well. I love them, like absolutely love them. These are super cute, super duper cute, you guys. All right guys, so I am going to open up the third pair of glasses. Ooh, I had to get glasses with color. I had to. I could not pass it up. I normally would not go for color, but I said, let's spice it up a little bit. Taking these right out of the box, you can see how there are so many different colors in these frames, you guys. Like, look how beautiful these are. And I wanted something like that because I wanted something a little bit different. So I thought these were super duper cute. Let's put them on. Oh my gosh, you guys, like it's color and it's simple and I like it like a lot. Oh my gosh, like these are just so cute. Look how cute these are, you guys. Like I absolutely love these. Like they're so simple, but also it's just like a pop of color, you know, just to kind of spice things up a little bit. And these kind of give me librarian vibes. I absolutely love it. I'm here for it. Super duper cute. Definitely love these. All right, you guys, so last pair of glasses in this little bag here. Let's open her up. Ooh. These are the sunglasses that I got, and I thought these were so cute. And I love how there is a plastic wrap over the lenses to protect them. So let's take that off. Oh my goodness, you guys. Look how cute these are. I absolutely love these. First thing that I noticed is this gold here at the top. Absolutely love that. I thought that was so different. I personally have not seen sunglasses in this style before, so I thought that they were super duper unique and cool. Super duper cute. Just simple black with the gold detail here at the top. Let's go ahead and try them on and see how they look. Oh, I love these. Absolutely love these. Guys, look at these. Oh my goodness. I feel like with these glasses, I feel like I'm in a car with the top down on the freeway, listening to my favorite song in these glasses, you guys. Like these, on my way to the beach somewhere. Like, love these. Absolutely love these. These are so cute. So cute, you guys. And I just, this gold detail up here, absolutely love. Absolutely love. And they're just kind of simple black on the sides here and underneath here. So cute. And these actually do come with clear lenses as well. That is also an option, but I absolutely love these. I had to get at least one pair of sunglasses, you guys. Like, love them. That is the end of the review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will make sure to put all of the details in the description down below. For Vooglam, they are absolutely amazing. I loved every pair of glasses that I picked out for myself. I am not disappointed whatsoever. Make sure you guys go check them out. I will also put their website in the description down below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!